Good evening everyone. Today we are going to do the daily Leetcode challenge of 5 February 2023. That is question number 438. Find all anagrams in a string. So anagrams are basically permutations of a string and we have done this question yesterday. So please check out that video. There will be a minor change in that code because in the previous question we have to return true or false whether it is present or not. But now we have to return the index of the starting anagrams. Index of the starting anagrams, what I mean by that is, let's see the example. In the example, the possible anagrams of ABC are so many possible. Is CBA an anagram of it? Yes. So we have to return the starting index. So 0 is the starting index. We will return it. Then we come here. Then what are the other possible anagrams? AEB? No, because there is no E. EBA? No. BAB, there is only single B. Then ABA, not possible. Then BAC is the another possible anagram. So that also we have to return 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to return the starting index of the anagrams. So that is all we have to do. And in the previous video, we have seen how to find the permutations. So we will change this code simply and we will get the answer. We will use sliding window approach as discussed yesterday. We will apply sliding window. We will use 2 pointers. The time complexity will be of O of n and space complexity will be constant of O26. We will just create a frequency of 26. Please check out that video for exact logic, and if we have done this permutation in string question, you can easily do this question. So see what we have to change. We simply have to change, let's see what are these. S1 is the smaller string now. So here what we will do, we will simply copy paste the code and we will change our S1 to P, S1 to P and S1 to P, and we will change our S2 to S, S2 to S, S2 to S, and instead of returning true we will return our answer. Let's create a vector answer, and whenever our total characters were becoming 0, that is we have found the window. When we are knowing that this is the window, so we will push our I to our answer, and when we know this is our window, we will push I to our answer. So that is all you have to do. Just see the previous video and it is all easy. See how these different questions are linked. It is question number 438, it is 567, but both are linked. If you can do this question, you can easily do this question. So everything is linked. Please keep on practicing. So let's just complete this. We will simply write answer dot push back I. We will push our answer and we will return the answer vector. Let's just run and check whether it is working or not. So yeah, it is running. Let's just submit it. So yeah, it is accepted. So it is as simple as that. You just need to form a sliding window approach. You will apply a while loop. Everything else is explained in that video. The video will be in the comment section as well. Please like, share and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.